Once upon a time, in a cozy little office, lived a young man named Leo and his leafy green plant Fern. Leo loved his job, but sometimes he found it hard to focus. His mind would wander like a butterfly on a breezy day. Head stare at his computer screen, then at the clock, then at a dust bunny under his desk. Oh, why is it so hard to concentrate? Head sigh. One sunny morning, as Leo was about to give up on a tricky task, he noticed something peculiar. Fern, his usually quiet plant, seemed to be gently swaying, even though there was no breeze. Then, a tiny glowing green light pulsed from one of Fern's leaves. It was so faint, Leo almost missed it. Curiosity piqued. Leo leaned closer. "Did you just glow?" he whispered, half joking. To his utter surprise, a soft, whispery voice seemed to come from the plant itself. "Focus, Leo. Breathe deep." Leo blinked. He rubbed his eyes. Did I imagine that? He wondered aloud, looking around to see if anyone else had heard. But the office was empty, save for him and Fern. He looked back at Fern, who seemed to be subtly pointing a leaf towards his computer screen. Taking a deep breath, Leo decided to listen. He sat up straight and looked at his work with fresh eyes. As he focused, the glowing light from Fern's leaves grew a little brighter, and the whisper seemed to encourage him. He worked through his tasks, one by one, feeling a sense of calm he hadn't experienced before. Hours later, Leo realized he had finished everything on his to-do list. He felt accomplished and energized. He looked at Fern, who now seemed to be glowing with a gentle, steady light. "You helped me!" he exclaimed. The whispery voice returned. "I just reminded you to find your own calm, Leo. The focus was always inside you." From that day on, Leo knew his plant held a special secret. Whenever he felt distracted, he'd take a deep breath and look at Fern. Fern would offer a gentle glow, a silent nudge to help Leo quiet his mind and find his concentration. Leo learned that true focus wasn't about magic, but about finding a peaceful space within himself, often helped by a calm presence like Fern's. And so, Leo and Fern continued their days in the cozy office, a perfect team, reminding everyone that even a little plant can hold the biggest wisdom.